The Somerton Police Department is starting to patrol the city with electric tricycles. Our reporter Andrea Trikkes spoke with Somerton PD on how these new vehicles are changing the way they keep the community safe.
The Somerton Police Department is rolling out a new way to patrol using electric tricycles. Now they hope by using these vehicles they can engage with the community in a more approachable way. Captain Joe Jenkins says these tricycles are designed to help officers be more efficient when responding to emergency situations.
They're battery operated, so obviously that's going to save on fuel and maintenance. They can travel upwards to 40 miles per hour and last probably the entire shift. So the efficiency of them is what we're looking at.
Captain Jenkins says the community is already starting to enjoy them.
We've already had a positive turnout from community engagement. We had kids going by when the officers were doing training and were asking what they were and if they could ride them. So we're really wanting to take advantage of that and get in the community with them and show them what they can do.
I asked Sergeant Heriberto Madrigal to give us a demonstration of the features that are included in the tricycles.
It's fully electric. It's, like you see, it's equipped with police red and blue lights, and this is a vehicle that could be utilized on parks, sidewalks, streets. It comes with the police packet, which has some little compartments here where you can store e-tickets, tools that the officers need for daily operations.
Captain Jenkins says these tricycles should be deployed into the community for patrolling purposes starting next week. Reporting in Somerton, Andrea Trikkes, 13 on your side.